what I say. You gotta peel that piece back, right?
Yeah.
There you go. Let me see.
I'll get it. I get it.
There you go.
I just want to do it.
Now stick your fingers in that hole, those holes right there, yep, and pull it open.
This one?